Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision. In the last class, I explained you how to use circle, SW, SS and SZ. In this class, based on the previous class explanation, I wrote a paragraph here which is in English in longhand. Now, I'll transcribe it into shorthand. In this paragraph, the previous classes grammalogs and usage of circle, large circles are also included. We shall see how to write this paragraph in in shorthand. Here I wish you to write to me. I wish you to write RT to me as to the disposal, D through the line, S, P, disposal of those cases, K, large circle, cases of yours which I have had lying, L, ing, here I diphthong, one triphone, lying in these through the line offices, F, large circle, for a year now, full stop. Then you have had successive, circle is K, large circle V, successive notices, N, T, notices asking in dark you to remove them. Now I transcribed it into the shorthand. Just see here, I wish, I is the diphthong, ish, then you grammar, to write. I joined to and write to is a grammar, to me, both are grammalogs, as grammalogs, to the grammar. Here disposal, D through the line, S circle, P, then A circle, L, of those cases, those grammar cases, K, large circle, of yours, of is a grammar, yours is also grammar, or yours, which is grammar, I have had, I joined, this is a phrase, lying, L, in, here I diphthong and one triphone, in these, in grammar, these through the line, offices, F, above the line, SS circle, for a year grammar, for grammar, year grammar, noun, full stop. You have had again phrase, successive, here S, K, large circle, V, then notices, N, T, SS circle, large circle, asking you to remove them. Remove R, M, V, then them is a grammar. The paragraphs are available in the Pitman English Shorthand. You can practice. Now we will move on to the next chapter. Now we shall discuss about loop ST and STR. The sound of ST is represented by a loop made half of the length of the stroke. For example, steam. Steam. This loop should be half of the stroke. We have to write like this. If we write seam, I'll show you. This is circle yes and seam. See the difference of seam and steam. Then stone. 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 Stake. Stake. Then past. Some more examples. Best. Best. Here the loop ST can be written like this. It should be written half of the stroke. See the size of the loop. This is steam, ST loop, then M, E oval, stone, ST loop and N, stake, ST loop and T. Here past, P, ST loop, best, B, ST loop. Here after the T, if there is a oval, then we cannot use the loop here. The loop cannot be employed here. For example, honest, honest, we write like this, honest. But for honesty, there is a oval after T. You have to write like this. Honesty. A oval, N, circle S, T, then E oval. Then one more example I will show you. Bestow. B-E-S-T-O-W. Here after T there is a oval. So B-S-T. Bestow. If there is a oval after T, then you cannot employ this ST loop. You have to write the full words. These loop will also represent the sound of SD. For example, opposed. P, then loop. Opposed. Disposed. Disposed. Sorry, through the line you have to write. Disposed. Okay. Then refused. R, F, refused. Again I will explain you. The sound of ST is represented by a loop made half of the length of the stroke. Example, steam. ST loop, M, E oval, stone, ST loop, N, O oval, stake, ST loop, stake, ST loop, K, stake. Then past, P, ST loop, best, B, ST loop, honest, N, ST loop. Here for honesty there is a vowel after T, so I wrote a full word N, S, T. And for bestow also B, S, T. Here for E vowel after T there is a O vowel. And this loop also represents the sound of S, D also. For example, opposed. P, A vowel, then second place vowel O, opposed. Disposed. D, S, P, S, D. Then refused. R, F, U diphthong. Here U diphthong. Refused. So now we shall see how to write STR loop. A large loop extending 2/3 length of the stroke which is attached to the stroke represents STR sound. This STR can be employed medially and finally. In the previous one, I taught you the ST loop which can be employed initially, finally, but that cannot be employed medially. But this STR loop can be employed medially and finally. It cannot be employed initially. For example, for medially, it is masterpiece. M, STR loop we have to write 2/3 of the stroke. Whereas ST loop we wrote half of the stroke. This we have to write 2/3 of the stroke. Masterpiece. M, STR loop, then P, then S circle, E oval. Then for finally faster. C, 2/3 of the stroke. F, STR, poster. P, STR loop, poster, luster. L, STR. I'll repeat the explanation. A large loop extending 2/3 length of the stroke which is attached to the stroke represents STR sound. It can be employed medially and finally it cannot be employed initially. Masterpiece. Here M, STR loop, P circle is faster. Finally STR loop is employed here. Faster. F, STR loop, A oval, poster. P, STR loop, O oval, luster. L, STR loop, U oval. Now we see the grammar of this chapter. The grammar of this chapter. First, ST loop on the line. Then influence. N and S circle. Influenced N and ST loop. Then next N and XT loop. Most M and ST loop. Language and owing. For both the words you have to write the ing stroke above the line. Then thing, ing stroke on the line. Young, through the line. Ing stroke through the line. Then Lord, L, N, P. These are the grammar of this chapter. First, this is on the line, ST loop, influence, N, circle is above the line, influenced, N, above the line, ST loop, next N, ST loop, on the line, most, M, ST loop, above the line, language, owing, ing stroke, above the line, thing, ing stroke, on the line, young, ing stroke, through the line, Lord, L stroke, V strokes. As I have been telling you that you have to practice the grammar locks rigorously. There is no shortcut to learn grammar locks. Now I conclude this class. Now please practice the exercises which are available in the Pitman English shorthand for using loop ST and STR. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my number 7892247571. You can WhatsApp me to this number if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to clarify you. Take care. Bye-bye.